Hello everybody, this is our New Year assignment. This is Rasmus Rune Jensen speaking, and you're gonna hear me and Cristiano's words. Now I need to remember the names, and Claudia. So we're gonna start with Claudia, speaking of terror.
Yes, there were a series of terrorist attacks in Paris on Friday, 13th of November 2015. It started at 9:30 p.m. and happened at 6 different locations in the town. Some of them took place at cafes, restaurants, and a concert hall in Paris. The attackers killed about 130 people and 368 people were hurt. About 80 to 90 people were hurt seriously. 7 of the attackers died also.
Yes, and then it's me to talk about Morten Olsen. And in 2015, Morten Olsen stopped as a trainer for the Danish national team, and he has been trainer there for about 15 years now. And in the last few years, Morten Olsen haven't done well, so the national team has lost a bit more games than they should to teams where the national team is not much better than. And he trained the if he trained the team one more game, he has been trainer for the longest time in Danish history. And now instead of Morten Olsen, we have got a new trainer, which is Ove Haride, which have been Brøndby trainer before, so he knows how Danish football plays. Yes.
And then I would talk about Egon the Storm. Egon the Storm, also known as Nina if you live in Norway. Yes, so a storm hit the northwest part of Europe the 10th of January 2015. The storm hit the northwestern part of Jutland at 11:15 and continued across the country. The storm came just one day after another storm, and storms that hit shortly after one another is called the twin storms. Then they are a rarity, as there are only known 6 of them have been recorded over 140 years. So yes. And Saturday, the 10th of January 2015, closed the Storebæltsbro by early afternoon down for all the car traffic, while trains continue to run across the bridge. Storebæltsbroen opened again about 4 a.m. after about 14 hours of closure. And then there are the Øresund Bridge closed Saturday evening for all rail and highway traffic. The bridge was opened again at 2:39 a.m. In spite of all the closure, audit images revealed that the Crown Prince Frederik crossed the Storebæltsbro twice in his car, along with a pilot car with bodyguards, to get to the box in Herning, Jyske Bank, where he was to participate in a award ceremony for athletes.
Yes, and then I will talk a little about Hotline Bling. And in 2015, the Canadian singer Drake released a lot of songs, and one of the songs was this Hotline Bling. It was released on July the 31st, and yeah, he released it with a video where he was dancing and singing. And when the world saw what he released, they were going crazy, and they thought he was dancing a little bit funny. And then a lot of memes were made, and we got a little movie here to show you.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Again, cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. That can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling. You used to call me on my cell phone. Night when you need me.
Clean up, everybody, clean up.
Sensei.
Yes, and this was our New Year assignment. We hope you enjoyed it.
So thank you, come again.